said you weren't gonna kill us this time.
No, I wanted to see if there's another one.
That's cool. Hey everyone, Aja here from Pandamonium. We are on a 4-wheel ride. There's a couple of us going. There's Chuck and Ron and also Jack. And Moo-moo. I love these things. They get you to places you normally wouldn't go to unless you're like hiking in or something. It's really beautiful out here. Go inside. Good girl.
All right. You know where to go.
So if you look right there, Chuck is going to a geocache. It's really hard to get to. Pretty cool though.
Is the Tootsie Roll Pop still there?
Cool. Is that it?
That's it.
Awesome.
And this is what I gave them the other day.
What'd you put in there? A choya cactus? Catch it! Oh, almost. They are putting another Tootsie Roll Pop. Someone took the other one.
Yeah, we get the one today.
So Chuck is signing Pandamonium for me, which is cool. So we made it to one of the mines. Wow, that's creepy looking. Yeah. It says danger, explosive. Well, it goes way back there. That's creepy. The first mine was over there. I had to climb up this. And here is the second mine. Oh, it's windy. So this one does not have a door, but it is much bigger. Way bigger. Wow. Seems to go pretty far back there. I'm not sure how far though. Anyway, well, that doesn't seem to be a stable structure though. And that's the roof of the cave or mine. So creepy. Creepy, creepy. Wow, look at this view. And you can also see Lake Havasu right there.
That's our old slab city. Yeah.
Oh, I can't really see it.
Think there's a cache up there?
I don't know. You want to go check?
We have to. We're You went home?
Is it cool in there?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
That was wedged in there, a knife,
Oh, cool. Oh, wow.
fire poker, soup cans,
Like
beer
somebody's
cans,
little home.
water, little measuring cup, and a shelf. Pretty cool in there. For the wall.
Yeah, that is cool. It's dark in here. Look at you, Moo-moo. Isn't that cool? This is awesome. Water jug. Oh. Even a mirror. Oh. Some beer cans. It's cool. It's climbing the mountain.
This is the trash dump.
What is? Oh yeah, there's a lot of trash right there. They even have firewood. You want to stay up here for a night. And kindling. That is one awesome vehicle.
There is something in like I have to go nowhere. If someone ever asks me, I can never say where I will be. And people say that someday I will lose my mind. They're always wondering why is a waste of time.
So this is our new base camp here in Craggy Wash. It's right at the beginning of Craggy Wash. We were 3 miles in Craggy Wash, but that was just annoying. It was really windy, up to 65 mile an hour gusts that we were having. So we ended up moving here to the beginning of Craggy Wash. Hey, Miss Carolyn.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good. What you up to today?
Just got back from Home Depot buying more supplies for my...
I see you're making the inside all fancy.
I am.
We've actually decided to leave camp and head down to the beach right by London Bridge in Havasu. So let's get going.
Sheriff is here.
I know.
Well, he said that Chuck found out that the Forest Service guys are on their way and they're going to relieve the guy of his duties.
I'm going to the beach. I'm coming back.
Oh, okay.
Good.
So if anybody wants to go to the beach, I'll be
I
at the
thought you
beach.
would have gone in Dana's van, so I was
Oh, no. I want to take my ring and
Okay.
stuff, so.
just making sure.
But Chuck found out that the Forest Service guys are on the way out
Okay.
and they're going to relieve the guy of duty because
Oh,
they've
Lord.
had so many complaints. And the sheriff said the same thing. The sheriff was good. He was awesome.
Was he?
He said you guys are doing fine. Don't worry. We've had a lot of complaints about the guy. So Forest Service is coming out to relieve him of his duties.
Yeah, he's just a little
Power hungry.
bit.
Yeah. There was no reason for what he did.
No, you can be a camp host and still be nice.
Exactly.
So.
I sat way over here and was videotaping. I had nothing to do with it. Wasn't anyone
Right.
near it. Was just watching and never said a word. He walks up here. Next thing I know, he's look at that guy over there still filming. Man. He's one of them YouTube guys.
Oh, is that what he
The
said?
sheriff comes down, sees the blue van, pulls over. And I told the sheriff, I said, oh, he probably sent it down by the blue van. So yeah, hopefully he'll be gone tonight. Because we weren't ready to leave. I told the sheriff we were
Right.
ready to go if he's still here. This is being too creepy and an idiot.
Definitely.
Have fun at the beach.
Thank you. Drama in South Central. So yeah, the BLM host, camp host, was rude to a bunch of people. So they're coming to relieve him of his duty. He was just, I don't know, he was just mean. It was just uncalled for. He was definitely just mean.
Has been done to fix it. Why it takes so long? 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 So long. Feel the light, how it shines so bright. Let it shine. Feel the light, how it shines so bright.
We have made it to the London Bridge beach area. This place is very beautiful, and today is beautiful and sunny, but it is very windy. I didn't know it was going to be this windy. I was wanting to get my kayak out in the water, but I think it might be too windy, so I'll have to save that for another day. Although we are having a picnic here today, so that's awesome. So Dana's getting all the meat together for the barbecue. Yes. Oh,
Already
yes.
got the chicken and the steak over there.
That's the chicken, and there's the steak.
We left the bratwurst over at the park because that doesn't really need to be.
What are you gonna do with these?
I'm gonna cook them with onion.
Oh yeah, the green beans.
Oh, okay.
In fact, they need to be rinsed off.
Green beans, onion, and bacon. So I like this park. It has nice big spots for RVs. So if you didn't know, wait, why is that do that? So if you didn't know, we're at Lions Park here in Lake Havasu. It's a pretty nice park. So I'm walking down to where they're going to grill everything. There's where Danny's parked, and Jimmy is parked across the street there. Oh, there's Jimmy. Hello. Oh. And there's the little pavilion where we're gonna barbecue at.
Videos playing.
What?
Videos playing on the playground.
What do you think this is?
A TV show.
Here's where we're gonna be eating and barbecuing. Are you getting the grill ready?
I'm trying.
Is it? It's kind of windy, isn't it?
Yeah, it is kind of windy. We
Yeah.
haven't really started yet.
All right.
I thought you burned out.
Hey,
Well, it
Charlie.
depends on how much you want to use. How much you
That's
need.
just
I guess.
charcoal.
I have no clue.
Hopefully it'll light up.
It should. I've got some cardboard in my rig if you need any.
It looks like it's lighted.
Okay. We have fire!
It's Monday.
So they do have a nice playground for the kids to play on. How is it? Is it awesome?
Yeah! Oh, get me out of jail! How dare you put me in here? Get me out of jail!
That's what happens to bad boys. They go to jail. Sorry. Can't get it. Oh! Good job. Good job.
Take her up here and let her cross the bridge. No, come on, baby. Look at her.
Yay!
Don't come over here, lie down.
Come on, you gotta come over here. Come on. Moo-moo on this side. Come over here. Come on, come down the slide. Good girl. All right, Moo-moo, come on. Good girl. Good job.
Up.
Up, Moo-moo, up. Good girl. That's a big frog.
And a big mouth.
It's looking good. Smells good too. Ooh, hear that? Moo-moo, I can't see you. Is Jimmy keeping you warm?
No, that's too cute. You have to look mean.
I know. Who's the moo-moo? You look all warm. This looks amazing and yummy. Good job, y'all. There you go.